I am thanking His Excellency the President, the Deputy President and his administration, and everybody else who has worked tirelessly to make sure that my rights are protected and the rights of every other Kenyan. What has happened to me should never have happened to anyone else. A Kenyan-born citizen cannot be discarded, removed forcefully from the country, and banished in a foreign land. Alright? There are more that I will say in the coming days and hopefully in the coming weeks and months. But for now, I just want to say how grateful I am. The media fraternity, you are here in large numbers. I thank you for being here. I don't take it for granted. And let's hope that we engage in the coming days. Thank you very much.
Viva! Viva! What do you expect? Are you going to take